One of the best travel stories comes from the journey of a woman named Rosie Swale Pope, who set out to run around the world. In 2003, at the age of 57, Rosie began her adventure from the UK, determined to run a marathon every day, covering over 20,000 miles across 6 continents and 20 countries. Along the way, she faced extreme weather conditions, dangerous terrains, and encountered countless personal challenges. Her reason for running was deeply personal. She wanted to honor the memory of her late husband and raise awareness for cancer research. Despite the hardships, including running through snowstorms, being held at gunpoint, and battling loneliness, Rosie pressed on, never giving up on her mission. She ran through the streets of Russia, across deserts in Africa, and even through remote parts of the world where she faced isolation. In 2008, after 5 years on the road, Rosie completed her journey, becoming the first woman to run around the world. Her story is a testament to resilience, determination, and the power of